Hey everyone, little vlog here. Just got this parcel in the mail. I'm not gonna show the top of it, but it's an SLI bridge for this machine, and it is a little bit longer than normal, which is perfect because I was actually very concerned that this would be too short, this bridge. Yeah, we got a sticker DDR3 I found. I think it's dead, but we'll try it anyway. Otherwise I got HyperX memory there. So I'm going to take out this bridge. Let's chuck it on. Oh shit. Chuck it onto the first graphics card. And let's chuck it on the second graphics card. There you go. SLI is now engaged. Let's try to turn it on. Oh, I haven't put power to the graphics card yet. Whoops. So let's put this guy in here. And this guy into here. Okay. That should work. That's a RAM error, okay. So this RAM is basically dead. I found it basically on the side of the road, so I'm not using that anymore. Let's use this DDR3 stick. There you go. Switch the video card to post. Let's verify that these are in properly. Yeah, I believe this takes a little longer to work, but yeah. Posted. That card slowed down. This one, however, is still running at full speed. Let's let it give up and then start again. Might be a dodgy fan, I'm not sure. No. It's being told to get at full speed. There's no heat coming out of these at all. This one's got a little bit of heat, but that's because it's a display card. So there we go. Working SLI. I know there's a video output right now. And yeah, so it's an SLI bridge. The NVIDIA SLI branded bridge. I think it's just the bridge that comes in the motherboard. It cost me $5 on eBay. So yeah, that came all the way. I live in Sydney, right? This bridge came all the way from Queensland. It took 7 days, exactly 7 days to come. So yeah, that was pretty good. And this CPU is a lot cooler now because I put proper heatsink on, proper thermal paste on. I'm getting a stack cooler for the CPU. I'm not sure when. I'll ask James because he's got one and he's not using. So yeah. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe or like this video. I don't even care. Just do something to promote our channel. I don't care. Turn on notifications. Whatever you want to do. Peace.